I am told, or I believe, it's a brand new day. But I haven't had my coffee, so I can't prove it. Man, it was quiet around here last night, except for a brief storm that blew through. Shook things up, blew things around. A little bit of rain, not much. Other than that, just wow, it was quiet. Tonight I need to do time lapse because the skies were beautiful. I hit on the road in here yesterday, at least on 160, I think it is. They were doing road work, and one of the drivers had dumped a whole load of asphalt right on the road, probably 18 inches high. I hit that stupid pile. I've got asphalt everywhere now on my trailer. I didn't need the hot glove. So this coffee will be ready in 5 or 6 minutes. I really like this French press. Just call me a yuppie. Well, coffee's ready. Now, in a few minutes, maybe the world will make sense again. I did have tough time getting to sleep last night. I don't think I actually fell asleep till midnight. That's not really normal for me. I usually get plenty of sleep. It's 6 now. I guess 6 hours okay. So today I got to get water from my little jerry can. I want to do a drive-through of the Canyon View campground and a drive-through of the other campground. And then I want to do some video in the museum, and then maybe take one of the other walks. Tonight I want to take my Sony back down towards that Betatakin Viewpoint and really do the whole walk, because it was gorgeous. Well, I guess I'm supposed to be talking. This is the trail to Betatakin ruins. Viewpoint. Which, unless you have a good lens, is not much of a viewpoint. Ooh. And this is the first actual use of my gimbal that I've done. So I'm hoping it turns out great. It might rain on me. Doubt if you can see it, but there's an arch down there in the cliff on the other side of the canyon. That's where the ruins are. I wasn't going to be in a rush to do this. The rain's scaring me. I do have a trash bag to put over everything, except me. This is supposed to be Mormon tea. Multi-purpose medicine for stomach trouble, kidney afflictions, and venereal disease and coughs. Well, we made it to the viewing point without getting soaked. I don't think the rain's going to affect us too much. So here we are. Right down there are the ruins. It's raining right now, so I'm not going to put my camera out there in the rain. Prehistoric pioneers, voices of the canyon, and into the memory. Probably gonna have to sit down for a little while and just take it easy. See if this will blow over. Well, that's it. That's the Betatakin site. But again, you can't see much from here. What's that here?